Hello friends, let's work on another exciting project adventure underwater. First, we have to add all required sprites. So I would like to tell you that you can use any sprite which you want to take for underwater scene. I will select starfish, crystals, snake, shark, and diver sprite and provide position by dragging in picture output area. Here in this project, we're going to learn new concept of backdrop movement. As we know that in backdrop section, motion blocks are not available, so we can download backdrop sprite and can upload in sprite section so that we can access motion blocks. Let's code for background. Click on the event circle and drag block when the green flag clicked. Click on the motion circle and drag go to X and Y block and change values. Now, click on the control circle and drag the forever block below. Go to X and Y block. We have to set the layer for our backdrop so that all sprites will appear before the backdrop. So click on the look circle and drag go forward one layer, and select back and change the number. To show the movement in the left direction, we will drag change X by block from motion and change value to -5. Now, click on the control circle and drag if-then block. Now, when backdrop is moving towards left side, there will be a point when backdrop will try to cross -460 boundary. So we have to click on operator block and drag less than block in first blank space drag X position block. For motion circle, in second type -460. If this is happening, then inside. If then we have to drag set X to block from motion and set value. Now run your code. You can see movement in backdrop. We will write down same code for second backdrop. Only difference will be in values. Now, run code by clicking on green flag. We can see the movement of both backdrop. We have to arrange our backdrop so that we can avoid that line glitch. Click on one of the backdrop and select costume and click on flip horizontal. Now run your code and it'll work perfectly. Select starfish and click on event circle and drag when green flag clicked. Click on look circle and drag hide block below green flag block. Now click on shark and start block code. Click on event circle and drag when green flag clicked. Click on look circle and drag hide block below green flag block. Now click on Motion Circle and drag Set X Position to Block and provide position to Shark in Picture Output Area. Click on Control Circle and drag Wait 1 second block and change timing. Now again, click on Look Circle and drag Block Show. Click on Control and drag Forever Block and from Motion drag. Move 2 step and change number of steps in negative to move sprite in left direction. From Control drag, If Then Block. Inside blank space of If drag touching mouse pointer block and select Edge from drop-down menu. If Shark is touching Edge, hide Shark by dragging Hide Block. Run your code by clicking on green flag. Now replicate same code for Snake Sprite and run. Let's code for Crystal Sprite. Click on Look Circle and drag Hide Block below green flag block. Now click on Motion Circle and drag Set X Position 2 and provide position to Crystal in Picture Output Area. Now drag Show Block. Click on Control and drag Forever. And from Motion, drag Move 2 step and change number of steps to move sprite in right direction. From Control, drag If Then Block. Inside blank space of If drag touching mouse pointer block and select Edge from drop-down menu. Inside If condition, drag Broadcast Message block from Event Circle and type New Message and click on OK. In second code, part of Crystal 1 drag when I receive message block from event and select your typed message. Then click on Look Circle and drag Hide Block below. Write down same code for other Crystal. Click on Diver Sprite and drag when green flag clicked block from event. Click on Variable Circle and create new variable score. Drag Set My Variable to 0 and select your variable name. Click on Control and drag Forever block. From the same drag, If Then block inside Forever. From Sensing, drag Touching block and select Crystal and inside the condition, drag Broadcast Message 1 from Event. From Looks, drag Say Hello for 2 seconds and change time and say Message to +1. Now click on Variable Circle and drag Change Value of Score by 1. Drag another If Then below previous, If Then, but inside Forever, and replicate same code for Crystal 2 and 3, and change broadcast message to 2 and 3. Drag if then block from control and from sensing drag touching block and select snake. And inside the condition from looks drag say hello for 2 seconds. And change time and say message to -1. Now click on variable circle and drag change value of score by -1. Create duplicate of snake code and drop below if then. To move diver in up and down direction, click on event and drag with space key pressed and select up arrow. Now from motion drag change I by block and 10 and drop below. Replicate same code for down arrow key and change number to -10. Run your code and see the results. Click on Event and drag when I receive and select 3. Then click on Looks and drop Show Block. Let's complete code for Starfish. Click on Control and drag Repeat. Inside, repeat drop next costume if you wish to switch costume, else drag, say block and type message for victory. Below, repeat, drop another say block and drop score from variable. From control, drag stop all to stop code. Click on green flag to see final result.